Let's make peanut butter oatmeal. This easy breakfast recipe is high in protein and a perfect way to start your morning. It is a creamy vegan healthy breakfast which can be prepared in a jiffy. So, let's get started. Add oats to the bowl along with the same amount of water. So 1 bowl of oats to 1 bowl of water. Give it a mix and cook over medium heat for 5 minutes. Add chia seeds. Mix again and cook for 2 more minutes. There are so many health benefits of eating oats and adding it to your diet. Now add equal amount of plant-based milk. I am using soy milk, but you can use oat, almond or any other plant-based milk of your choice. Remember, the oats to liquid ratio here is 1:2. So 1 cup of oats to 2 cups of liquid for cooking. Initially we added 1 cup of water and now we are adding 1 cup of plant-based milk. Let it cook over low or medium heat for 3 to 4 minutes. Then add peanut butter and agave syrup. Mix everything and that's it. Such an easy and quick recipe. Oats are one of the healthiest grains on earth. They are a gluten-free whole grain and a great source of essential vitamins, minerals, fibers and antioxidants. I am going to top it up with some more agave syrup, chopped almonds, chia seeds and peanut butter. This is a healthy protein-packed recipe. You can add your favorite fresh fruits or even frozen berries too. When you're craving a sweet and healthy breakfast, this is the dish. You can always add your favorite fruits to it and make it more wholesome. So, if you liked this recipe, do give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Food Atomic. I'll be back soon with another interesting vegan video. Until then, bye.